Kabaleshwar temple.
White metals, brass, temple articles, gift articles.
இங்கே இருக்கிற டேங்க் இந்த குளம் மாட வீதியின் நாலா பக்கம் சுற்றி இருக்கிறது. இது ஒரு அழகான ஒரு தோற்றங்கள். அது மதுரையை போன்றது.
Enough clues to tell you where I am? Yes, that's right, it's Mylapore, which is one of my favorite areas because it satisfies all my hunger. Hunger for shopping, hunger for food. As you can see clearly, I'm here only to satisfy my hunger for food. Will you join me in this extravaganza, Karthik?
Sure. When you take Mylapore, the only thing that comes to mind is the different kinds of eateries you have here. You have all kinds of eatables and food products, and you get from the lowest price range to the highest price range, and you have different cuisines here. And the main thing about Mylapore is that you have all these small kutti kadais.
Exactly. I am taking you to one of these kutti kadas over here called Sri Karpagamba Kapali Sweet Stall. Like little mice following a trail of cheese, Karthik and I follow the aroma of freshly fried pakodas, mixtures, oma pudi, and the all-time favorite mouth-wateringly saccharine treats, jangri and badusha. Sri Kapali Karpagambal Sweet Stall has been a snack lover's haven for nearly a decade now. When the clock strikes 12, there is a long queue of fans waiting to devour their favorite snack.
நானும் ஃபாதர் மதர் அங்கிள் எல்லாம் சேர்ந்து நடத்திட்டுருக்கோம். இது வந்து இங்கே வந்து ஃபேமஸ் வந்து மெது பக்கோடா வடை சமோசா ஸ்வீட் ஜாங்கிரி இங்கே ஃபேமஸாக இருக்கும். மார்னிங் 10:30லேருந்து ஈவினிங் 9:30 வரைக்கும் எப்போயுமே ரெஷ்ஷாக தான் இருக்கும். எல்லாமே இங்கே ஹாட்டாக கிடைக்கும், எல்லாமே ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷாக இருக்கும். எப்போயுமே எல்லாமே நைட்டு எல்லாமே ஃபினிஷ் ஆகிடும், மார்னிங் திருப்பி எல்லாமே ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷாக டெலிவரி பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கோம். Festivals not only bring bundles of joy but packets of food too. And this stall takes bulk orders and adds flavor to these festivals with a wide array of sweets and spices. However, variety does not help when you have to make up your mind and place your first order. எனக்கு வந்து ஒரு ஸ்வீட் போலி ஒரு ஜாங்கிரி கொடுங்க.
I think I will go with mixture. I'll start with mixture.
Mixture and oma pudi.
Sure.
இவருக்கு mixture and oma pudi. What was supposed to be a light snack turned out to be more of an afternoon meal. And the only thing dampening our spirits, ironically enough, was Chennai's scorching sun. So we desperately hunted for a place to sit and comfortably enjoy the spread. What we had was a small adda in the shade along the roadside. Well, unlike back at the food stall, here we didn't have much of a choice. Start with the open.
Sure. Okay.
Okay, and I?
Tough choice.
Okay, don't look at me like that.
Okay.
This is a complimentary dish that they've given us.
Definitely. Then I think you should start with the boli.
Okay. No, I always had this feeling that polis are the most difficult ones to make. It was a lot of procedure to it, but then it's one of the most irresistible sweets.
There are actually two kinds of boli. There's one parpu boli and then one is tenga boli.
My favorite is parpu. Yours?
Mine is tenga.
Yeah?
That is out of the world, just out of the world. And coming to oma pudi, I don't know. I always wonder how they make it so thin, because usually when my mom makes it, it's like kind of very thick and it kind of tastes differently, very homely. But this is just out of the world. This is too good. I have to taste it.
At my home love spicy food, so generally it's made a lot more spicier.
Yes.
Yeah.
Usually at even in my house it's a lot more spicier. It's lots more crunchy and it's kind of big. I just love it.
We should find out where they get the sevanari.
Yes.
When it comes to weddings, especially our South Indian weddings, it's never complete without adirsam.
Yeah. You have it in that Pattu Sada Kudai.
Yeah.
They give it with, when you go to the reception, they give it with, along with that.
Yeah, and the tambula bag.
Yes.
They give that to you.
Along with that, they also give the murukku.
I don't
Just
like the
divine.
Mysore Pak that much, but other some I think is
It's
really
awesome.
nice.
It's awesome. Yeah. What do we have next? I think it's the evergreen savory from South India.
Mixture.
As the name
Honestly, I
says.
don't like groundnuts too much, so I'd rather have mixture without groundnuts.
Okay.
So I'll start the show.
On the contrary, I like groundnut so much.
Yeah?
I'll finish it off first. But as the name says, mixture. There are a lot of different things in here.
I know.
You even
It's spicy, it's tangy.
yeah, you even have the thicker version of the omapudi in and around,
True.
squeezed inside. You have the pori, which is like the most crushed form of pori or the drier form
And
of
the
pori.
salt is always higher in that. If you notice that.
Yes, yes, definitely. And this again, when it comes to mixtures in shops, it's very different from what you make at home, because the ones which my mom makes, it's like kind of, it has more spice and it's more crunchy, it's more tangy, and it has a lot more groundnuts, which I like. So
I think we should move to the grand finale here, which is janggery, and it's nice and hot.
the
I
not,
just saw
the
them
not-
making it here.
the not so famous and the southern cousin of jalebi, I guess,
I know.
janggery. It was so sugary and sweet. So nice.
It's so juicy.
Exactly, very juicy.
And you should have it just as soon as it's made.
Yes, so
Otherwise it
hot.
loses its,
it
charm.
becomes kind of like,
It becomes little hard.
yeah, they say in
and
Tamil
soggy.
it becomes or madri vadakku vadakku, and it becomes kind of squishy and
The blazing sun and the Uppu Karam Inippu delights made us look around thirstily for something to drink. Amid the plethora of shops, temples and hotels, Mylapore is also home to Arvind Milk Shop, diagonally opposite to Sri Kapali Karpagambal Sweet Stall. Flavors ranging from badam, pista, chocolate and namma ooru more kept me craving more. If you want to be enjoying this treat, not just in Mylapore but anywhere in Chennai, all you have to do is answer this week's Feeding Frenzy question. What crop is not cultivated in Goa? A. Coconut, B. Rice, or C. Corn? Send in your answers to feedback@ndtv-hindu.com.